Okay, so I got a few people asking me how to do like this hair coloring. Yeah, so I decided to make a tutorial. So basically, what you do first is you have this base color down, and then it should be rather your hair color by remuted and light tone, or should be similar to the background color. And then you add some of the skin tone to the edges of the hair, touching the face, touching the skin, and you just make the middle part darker and the surrounding part light. And like, how would you like add a back color, like the darker shade of color? You'll just like follow the strand of the hair and where it's going, follow gravity, and pull it down, making lines like this. And just work on a little bit more and you get something like this. And lastly, we have the highlight. The highlight will just be like, yeah, a bright color, any color as that you would like. It could be red, it could be blue, it could be like multicolor. And then add the wide highlight in the middle. And what I like to do is to also add like circle it with the darkest color, the darkest value on the hair to make it pop. If it's okay, if it's like a circle, it would just be something like that. Another example for just one strand of hair. And that's it. Thank you.